A veteran of Hollywood has made its way to the capital region. This plane has been seen in multiple classic films and is now being restored to get back in the air. The plane's been used by Hollywood to help recreate the important moments of World War II, including the attack on Pearl Harbor. The plane will now be given a new engine and will soon be on display at the Schenectady Aerospace Museum.
World War II veterans taking a journey into the past. A training airplane and a replica Japanese Zero plane were on display in Latham today. 5 veterans gathered to see the planes at Integra Optics in Latham, one of which appeared in 3 Hollywood movies. And Integra Optics CEO who bought the plane says it's important for veterans to share their experiences.
One of the veterans, on the ship he was on, they shot down 7 Zeros that were attempting to attack their ship. And oftentimes what you'll find is just now in the last few years, some of these veterans are just now sharing their stories.
Prescott also says that he bought and refurbished the Zero replica plane to make sure its history continues.